China's State Council Information Office on Tuesday released a white paper titled The Belt and Road Initiative, a key pillar of the global community of shared future. The white paper will give the international community a better understanding of the value of the Belt and Road Initiative, facilitate high-quality cooperation under it, and ultimately deliver benefits to more countries and peoples. Since its launch, the Belt and Road Initiative has evolved from ideas into actions, from a vision into reality, and from a general framework into concrete projects. It has been welcomed by the international community both as a public good and a cooperation platform. Looking forward, China stands ready to work with other countries to pursue closer and more fruitful cooperation under the BRI framework.
中方呢，将于今年10月在北京举办第3届“一带一路”国际合作高峰论坛。这不仅是纪念“一带一路”倡议提出10周年最隆重的活动，也是各方共商高质量共建“一带一路”合作的重要平台。目前呢，已有来自130多个国家、30多个国际组织的代表确认与会。